The arrangement of built-in cabinets and lighting windows in this Japanese-style tiny home is both ingenious and visually captivating. Departing from conventional cabinet placement, where wall storage is often rigid and separate, this design harmoniously integrates cabinet and windows into a single continuous structure. The result is a streamlined, space-saving solution that brings both natural light and functionality into the compact interior. What makes this approach stand out is how the cabinets flow organically around the windows, almost framing them while still offering substantial storage. This creative concept not only enhances the sense of openness in the space but also maximizes every inch of the wall for utility without disrupting the overall aesthetic. Adding to the brilliance is the use of large built-in wardrobes that blend seamlessly with the wall surfaces. These cleverly hidden storage units eliminate visual clutter and maintain the minimalist and calming atmosphere typical of Japanese design. Altogether, this layout transforms the tiny home into a highly efficient, elegant, and livable environment, proving that thoughtful design can make even the smallest space feel luxurious and practical.